Hi children, how are you all? In last class we have learned the question and answers. In our 8th lesson, the worm that wouldn't wiggle. Right children, today we have to learn meanings in this lesson children. Shall we start? Okay, already we completed this poem. Right. Now, what happened in this poem children? What happened? There is a worm. Worm is there and it wouldn't wiggle. Okay, because this worm, when it's wiggling on the floor, it's getting giggling. Okay, it's getting giggling and it's getting so much of laugh. To get out of that laughing, it's taking so much of time. Okay, that's why the worm wouldn't wiggle and the worm don't want to wiggle. While this happening to this worm, the friends of the worm are making fun, and this mother felt very sad about that worm, and mother made a jumper. Okay, like sweater children. Okay, mother made a jumper for that worm and they gave. Now the worm wore that jumper and it can easily wiggle on the floor. Now it's not getting giggling anymore. That is the summary of the poem children. Okay, no need to read the poem again, but you have to read these meanings in this lesson children. Okay, let's start. I will read children, everyone see clearly. Okay, in volume 2, page number 16, page 16, we are having these meanings. Let's read. Wiggle, everyone keep the finger and you have to repeat after me. Okay, wiggle, move up or down. Tummy, belly. Giggle, laugh in a silly way. Wiggle, move up or down. Tummy, belly. Giggle, laugh in a silly way. Next, exhausted, tired. Exhausted, tired. Flop, fall. Flop, fall. Next, comfy, comfortable. Comfy, comfortable. Giggle fit, sudden attack of laughter. Comfy, comfortable. Giggle fit, sudden attack of laughter. Now come to next page children. Mock, tease. Mock, tease. Jumper, sweater. Jumper, sweater. Slide, move smoothly. Slide, move smoothly. Next, scoff, make fun of. Scoff, make fun of. Okay children, these are the meanings you have to learn today. Practice in your CW book and write without seeing in your HW book children. Okay, I told you to send me the pics also. Most of you are not sending. Try to send the pics to me children, whatever you are writing without seeing. And in this lesson we have completed these question and answers. Right children, and what we are having? One more thing we are having. What conjunctions we have in this lesson? What are the conjunctions we have learnt in this lesson children? Conjunctions: as soon as. Okay, as soon as, so, while. 3 conjunctions only children. For your exam syllabus also 3 conjunctions only you will get. What is the conjunction children? Already we know conjunctions are the words which can also called as linking words. These conjunctions will add 2 sentences or 2 words. Okay, and these are the 3 conjunctions we are learning children. As soon as, so, while. Okay, as soon as, so, while. Okay, these about these conjunctions we will have the video on next day, children. Okay, we will have about this discussion in our next video. Okay, these three conjunctions only in syllabus. I mentioned only conjunction. Don't think all conjunctions you have to prepare. Just three conjunctions only. They are as, soon as, so, while. These three conjunctions we will discuss in our next class, children. Okay, from this lesson we completed question time. Now you have to read this question and answers, and in next class we will go with the conjunctions topic. Okay, children, please read, please revise, and please prepare well for examinations. Okay, thank you.